إنما يستجيب الذين يسمعون والموتى يبعثهم الله ثم إليه يرجعون.
Only those who listen can respond to the call of the truth. As for the dead, Allah will raise them, and then to Him they will be returned.
وقالوا لولا نزل عليه آية من ربه قل إن الله قادر على أن ينزل آية ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
And they say, why has no miraculous sign been sent down to him from his Lord? Say, surely Allah has the power to send down a sign, but most of them do not know.
وما من دابة في الأرض ولا طائر يطير بجناحيه إلا أمثالكم ما فرطنا في الكتاب من شيء ثم إلى ربهم يحشرون.
There's no animal that crawls on the earth and no bird that flies with its two wings, but are communities like you. We have neglected nothing in the book of decree. Then to their Lord will they all be mustered.
والذين كذبوا بآياتنا صم وبكم في الظلمات من يشاء الله يضلله ومن يشاء يجعله على صراط مستقيم.
Those who gave the lie to our signs are deaf and dumb and blunder about in darkness. Allah causes whomsoever He wills to stray in error and sets whomsoever He wills on the straight way.
قل أرأيتكم إن أتاكم عذاب الله أو أتتكم الساعة أغير الله تدعون إن كنتم صادقين.
Say, what do you think if some chastisement of Allah or the hour suddenly overtakes you? Do you cry to any other than Allah? Answer if you speak the truth.
بل إياه تدعون فيكشف ما تدعون إليه إن شاء وتنسون ما تشركون.
Lo, it is to Him alone that you cry, and then, if He so wills, He removes the distress for which you had cried to Him. Then you forget the partners you had set up with Allah.
ولقد أرسلنا إلى من قبلك فأخذناهم بالبأساء والضراء لعلهم يتضرعون.
And we indeed sent messengers to other nations before you, and then seized those nations with misfortune and hardship, so that they might humble themselves before us.
فلولا إذ جاءهم بأسنا تضرعوا ولكن قست قلوبهم وزين لهم الشيطان ما كانوا يعملون.
But when misfortune befell them from us, why did they not humble themselves? Their hearts had hardened, and Satan had made their deeds seem fair to them.
فلما نسوا ما ذكروا به فتحنا عليهم أبواب كل شيء حتى إذا فرحوا بما أوتوا أخذناهم بغتة فإذا هم مبلسون.
So, when they forgot what they had been reminded of, we opened the gates of all things, so that, while they rejoiced in what they had been granted, we suddenly seized them, and they were plunged into utter despair.
فقطع دابر القوم الذين ظلموا والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Thus the last remnant of those wrongdoing people was cut off. All praise be to Allah, the Lord of the entire universe, for having punished them so.
قل أرأيتم إن أخذ الله سمعكم وأبصاركم وختم على قلوبكم من إله غير الله يأتيكم به انظر كيف نصرف الآيات ثم هم يصدفون.
Say, O Muhammad, what do you think if Allah should take away your hearing and your sight and seal your hearts? Who is the God other than Allah who could restore them to you? Behold how we put forth our signs in diverse forms, and yet they turn away from them.
قل أرأيتكم إن أتاكم عذاب الله بغتة أو جهرة هل يهلك إلا القوم الظالمون.
Say, if the chastisement of Allah were to overtake you suddenly or openly, shall any except the wrongdoing people be destroyed?
وما نرسل المرسلين إلا مبشرين ومنذرين فمن آمن وأصلح فلا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون.
We do not send messengers except as bearers of glad tidings and warners. So he who believes in their message and mends his conduct need have no fear and need not grieve.
والذين كذبوا بآياتنا يمسهم العذاب بما كانوا يفسقون.
Whereas those who give the lie to our signs, chastisement will visit them for their transgression.
قل لا أقول لكم عندي خزائن الله ولا أعلم الغيب ولا أقول لكم إني ملك إن أتبع إلا ما يوحى إلي قل هل يستوي الأعمى والبصير أفلا تتفكرون.
O Muhammad, say, I do not say to you that I have the treasures of Allah, nor do I have knowledge of what is beyond the reach of perception, nor do I say to you that I am an angel. I only follow what is revealed to me. Then ask them, are the blind and the seeing alike? Do you not then reflect?
وأنذر به الذين يخافون أن يحشروا إلى ربهم ليس لهم من دونه ولي ولا شفيع لعلهم يتقون.
And warn with this revealed message those who fear that they shall be mustered to their Lord, that there will be none apart from Allah to act as their protector and intercessor. Then maybe they will become God-fearing.
ولا تطرد الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ما عليك من حسابهم من شيء وما من حسابك عليهم من شيء فتطردهم فتكون من من الظالمين.
And do not drive away those who invoke their Lord in the morning and the evening, seeking His pleasure all the time. You are by no means accountable for them, just as they are by no means accountable for you. If you still drive them away, you will become among the wrongdoers.
وكذلك فتنا بعضهم ببعض ليقولوا أهؤلاء من الله عليهم من بيننا أليس الله بأعلم بالشاكرين.
Thus we've made some of them a means to test others, so that they should say, are these the ones among us upon whom Allah has bestowed His favor? Yes, does Allah not know well who are the thankful?
وَإِذَا جَاءَكَ الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِآيَاتِنَا فَقُلْ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكُمْ كَتَبَ رَبُّكُمْ عَلَى نَفْسِهِ الرَّحْمَةَ أَنَّهُ مَنْ عَمِلَ مِنكُمْ سُوءًا بِجَهَالَةٍ ثُمَّ تَابَ مِن بَعْدِهِ وَأَصْلَحَ فَأَنَّهُ غَفُورٌ رَّحِيمٌ.
And when those who believe in our signs come to you, say to them, peace be upon you, your Lord has made mercy incumbent upon Himself, so that if any one of you does a bad deed out of ignorance, and thereafter repents, and makes amends, surely you will find Him all forgiving, all compassionate.
وَكَذَلِكَ نُفَصِّلُ الْآيَاتِ وَلِتَسْتَبِينَ سَبِيلُ الْمُجْرِمِينَ.
Thus do we clearly set forth our signs, that the way of the wicked might become distinct.
قُلْ إِنِّي نُهِيتُ أَنْ أَعْبُدَ الَّذِينَ تَدْعُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ قُلْ لَا أَتَّبِعُ أَهْوَاءَكُمْ قَدْ ضَلَلْتُ إِذًا وَمَا أَنَا مِنَ الْمُهْتَدِينَ.
Say, O Muhammad, I have been forbidden to serve those whom you call upon other than Allah. Say, I do not follow your desires, for were I to do that, I would go astray and would not be of those who are rightly guided.
قُلْ إِنِّي عَلَى بَيِّنَةٍ مِّن رَّبِّي وَكَذَّبْتُم بِهِ مَا عِندِي مَا تَسْتَعْجِلُونَ بِهِ إِنِ الْحُكْمُ إِلَّا لِلَّهِ يَقُصُّ الْحَقَّ وَهُوَ خَيْرُ الْفَاصِلِينَ.
Say, I take stand upon a clear evidence from my Lord, and it is that which you have given the lie to. What you desire to be hastened is not within my power. Judgment lies with Allah alone. He declares the truth, and He is the best judge.
قُلْ لَوْ أَنَّ عِندِي مَا تَسْتَعْجِلُونَ بِهِ لَقُضِيَ الْأَمْرُ بَيْنِي وَبَيْنَكُمْ وَاللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِالظَّالِمِينَ.
Say, if what you demand so hastily were in my power, the matter between me and you would have long been decided. But Allah knows best how to judge the wrongdoers.
وعنده مفاتح الغيب لا يعلمها إلا هو ويعلم ما في البر والبحر وما تسقط من ورقة إلا يعلمها ولا حبة في ظلمات ظلمات الأرض ولا رطب ولا يابس إلا في كتاب مبين.
He has the keys to the realm of the unseen, which none knows but He. And He knows what is on the land and in the sea. There's not a leaf which falls that He does not know about, and there's not a grain in the darkness of the earth, or anything green or dry which has not been recorded in a clear book.
وهو الذي يتوفاكم بالليل ويعلم ما جرحتم بالنهار ثم يبعثكم فيه ليقضى أجل مسمى ثم إليه مرجعكم ثم ينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
He recalls your souls by night and knows what you do by day, and then He raises you back each day in order that the term appointed by Him is fulfilled. Then to Him you will return, whereupon He will let you know what you have been doing.
وهو القاهر فوق عباده ويرسل عليكم حفظه حتى إذا جاء أحدكم الموت توفته رسلنا وهم لا يفرطون.
And He alone holds sway over His servants and sets guardians over you till death approaches any of you, and our deputed angels take His soul, neglecting no part of their task.
ثم ردوا إلى الله مولاهم الحق ألا له الحكم وهو أسرع الحاسبين.
Then all are restored to Allah, their true protector. Behold, His is the judgment. He is the swiftest of those who take account.
قل من ينجيكم من ظلمات البر والبحر تدعونه تضرعا وخفية لئن أنجانا من هذه لنكونن من الشاكرين.
Ask them, O Muhammad, who is it that delivers you from dangers in the deep darknesses of the land and the sea? And whom do you call upon in humility and in the secrecy of your hearts? To whom do you pray? If He will but save us from this distress, we shall most certainly be among the thankful.
قل الله ينجيكم منها ومن كل كرب ثم أنتم تشركون.
Say, Allah delivers you from this and from every distress, and yet you associate others with Allah in His divinity.
قل هو القادر على أن يبعث عليكم عذابا من فوقكم أو من تحت أرجلكم أو يلبسكم شيعا ويذيق بعضكم بأس بعض. انظر كيف نصرف الآيات لعلهم يفقهون.
Say, it is He who has the power to send forth chastisement upon you, from above you, or from beneath your feet, or split you into hostile groups, and make some of you taste each other's violence. Behold how we set forth our signs in diverse forms, so that they may understand the truth.
وكذب به قومك وهو الحق قل لست عليكم بوكيل.
Your people have denied it even though it is the truth. Say, I am not a guardian over you.
لكل نبأ مستقر وسوف تعلمون.
Every tiding has its appointed time. You yourselves will soon know the end.
وإذا رأيت الذين يخوضون في آياتنا فأعرض عنهم حتى يخوضوا في حديث غيره وإما ينسينك الشيطان فلا تقعد بعد الذكرى مع القوم الظالمين.
When you see those who are engaged in blasphemy against our signs, turn away from them until they begin to talk of other things, and should Satan ever cause you to forget, then do not remain after recollection in the company of those wrongdoing people.
وما على الذين يتقون من حسابهم من شيء ولكن ذكرى لعلهم يتقون.
For those who are God-fearing are by no means accountable for others, except that it is their duty to admonish them. Maybe they will shun evil.
وذر الذين اتخذوا دينهم لعبا ولهوا وغرتهم الحياة الدنيا وذكر به أن تبسل نفس بما كسبت ليس لها من دون الله ولي ولا شفيع وإن تعدل كل عدل لا يؤخذ منها أولئك الذين أبسلوا بما كسبوا لهم شراب من حميم وعذاب أليم بما كانوا يكفرون.
Leave alone those who have made a sport and a pastime of their religion, and whom the life of the world has beguiled. But continue to admonish them with the Quran, lest a man should be caught for what he has himself earned. For there shall neither be any protector nor intercessor apart from Allah. And though he may offer any conceivable ransom, it shall not be accepted from him, for such people have been caught for the deeds that they have themselves earned. Boiling water to drink and a painful chastisement to suffer for their unbelief is what awaits them.